second video of the day, 17th July 2026. Time is 6 p.m. here in Slough at Brahma Close. As you can see. I thought I'd make some video. Somehow he didn't want. He turned it around. He didn't want to come in a video. So, I don't know, from Zimbabwe, African visa, Brahma Close. Narendra Modi's career, Imran Khan White. My international audience, my name is Raja Rizwan Mushtaq. Usually is associated with Hindu religion or Indian British Raj. It just means king. Is Zelensky like Sultan, Shah, Amit Shah Mahmood Qureshi, Sharjah, Shah, Xi Jinping, President Xi. Raja mean just a king. That's a caste actually. There's a Rajput caste, second number after Brahma. Upper class Hindus. I don't know. Just say Muslim. They later on they convert. They spreading the rumors or back in Pakistan. Hindus. My ancestors long ago were Hindus and they converted to Islam and this and that. But also nowadays spreading that Rajas came from Iran. Rajas came from Tataristan. Genghis Khan, Amir Temur. Raja just now, Imam Mahdi will be Sayyid, descendant of Muhammad. Judah Akbar Bollywood movie, one which sperm, Jewish sperm court. Alexander the Great came to Jhelum. So the Brahma white, brown, way after. The reason I'm saying, I saw, Solar City, Riyaste Madina Imran Khan, no, the other one. Sadiq Khan, London Bear, is going to be Lord 26 January 97. That's the atomic number of iron. England taking over British steel. 26 lords. Sadiq Khan came with a white girl. I don't know, very white girl. Something she wasn't. 2010. No, this one was recent. About, I don't know, 10 years, no, 9 years ago. But this one, 2010, Barack Hussein Obama with the lots of, the American special limousines and special presidential protocol one. Those cars were there, passing by this Brahma Close. They quite obsessed. A lot of, dark skin Shudra, Dalit officers, Indian origin one, Pakistani quite obsessed. They converted into Christianity. British quite, when they were spreading Christianity during British Raj, other than Anglo-Indians, white Indians. Guess what way the Anglo-Indian came? We will talk about later on Brahma. They used to quite annoyed, we are white one. Hindus used to say, you are not proper Brahmas. Hitler didn't like that. We are upper class. Aryan Samaj. That's Aryan civilization. That's Narendra Modi from dark skinned Gujaratis. Raja Rizwan Mushtaq, Brahma Close. Quite, they got, British, they got quite a lot of officers pointed at me from dark skin Indian. Brahma, Shuddha. Sikh quite dark skin, Brahma, we make Raj. Quite obsessed with me. Honest to God, beyond oppression overload, one person is a football. Football. A lot of Indian Sikhs are obsessed. Used to be there, over there, used to be a Chalvi community hub. It used to be a Christian, young Christian YMCA, young Christian man. It used to. So I thought to make some video about it. What was I saying? There is a white lady in a white gown, white soul, Brahma. She stopped there. I turned around the mobile. She was in the frame. Now she stopped there. I don't know. He's still sitting there, man. Okay. Yeah. No, not that one. So he's gonna walk behind me. This one. Yeah, white soul, white. Why she stopped at there? Yeah. So Hillary Clinton came later on 2000 also. I should have gone. Hillary Clinton came just by the when I was taking cash out from the gift rent to my landlord. I saw Hillary Clinton. That's why. I don't know. Sometime I think I should have spoken. Are you Miss Hillary? Doing alone this time of night by the cash point machine? Secretary of State, active Secretary of State. I don't know. She wouldn't like that taking money cash out of some mugger. I thought I shouldn't ask her. She can ask me if she's on to me. So I thought make some video. Some kids especially pass by this side. They know why they should have gone. I think I should move from here. This doesn't look nice. They are full alert, man. Everyone knows that. So especially came to Slough, to Brahma Close. Just walking. That's where they used to intercept me. Once, there was a Christian guy, American, back in 2008, 10 February 2010, and just exactly here, just by there, Christian missionary used to intercept me, want to Christian, and I said about, I talked about there was one white American, and again Christian, dark skin, Indian, Pakistani origin, one with American accent. They want to Christian. They always, I knew they want to me, and I start talking about Crusaders, Christian massacres, terrorism going on. And I said, when the Crusaders gone to Syria, they even eat people. I could understand because of sheer amount of the heat of the moment, or hate. They were hungry from Nordic Crusaders. Pope used to pick up from Germany, Sweden, Norway, England. Used to pick up quite vicious Vikings, and they used to make sure they don't go through via Rome, Italy, and attack Muslims. I was talked about that later on. Syria's eating dogs, cats, no corpse. Gaza eating corpse. I don't know. I say occasionally, just by here, just exact 2010 February. I can't believe that. Just occasionally say something. No, before there was a lots of Christian used to come missionary intercept me. They want to. Now they stopped for some reason. I never go my life. I mean, try to convert, stop anyone. I think it's getting over long. So that's the point. Brahma Close, I want to tell you that. Andrew Burnham, select Brahmas, Shudras. No, white English. White English, na, inshallah, there will not be a next year drill for domestic violence defense. God forbid Russia come. No, 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 no. Civil war, evict all immigrants, Muslims, Islam taking over. Pick whites, make white parliament. So Brahma close, lots of Hindus, Sikh are active. Tanman Ji Singh Desi, Sikh, Sajid Javed, Hamza Yusuf. Oh, over there now. Oh, over there. My ex-wife Victor got because my brother, you know, Zishan, the 13th of June video, please watch it. I talked about it. He started to live there. He got married with a Rohingya Muslim one, Bihari woman from Pakistan. He got married. Indians are loving that idea. Upper class and lower class. Brahma. They somehow got flat there. Some Pakistani man gave them Brahma. I think it was 35 Brahma clothes. Then I have to live for a couple of days. Then got humiliated by them also. My brother is Brahma clothes. Brahma. Brahma na Epstein file. No, Ipswich. Oops. Ipswich na Brahm. Tabligh Jamaat is there. Islam in danger in Britain. Lot of Tablighis were getting. No, the Brent Tarrant version was going there. So the government cancelled it. See, that's what I'm talking about. It's a British Islam. Brahma clothes. So I none Pakistani uncle was there. Want to talk about it? You can talk via YouTube. Pakistani uncle with a little kid, shalwar kameez. Pakistanis are active today. Government, no, overseas Pakistani, we will revoke nationality, cancel the card. They're gonna live in England. All the politicians. Bye bye.